business experience. Tell us the name of the business and the city that it's in.
Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And I apologize for the background noise. I'm in my radio room, and which started out as a garage. But the garage was too small to put even a foreign car in, so I quickly converted to my radio room. And this morning, I did a scan on the FM band using the internal telescopic antenna on this Tecsun S-2200x. And what I did for reference is I went to a website called, what's it called? You go to the top of the page, radio-locator. This is a really cool station. It's cool. Oh my gosh, I get so excited about this radio. I don't know what I'm thinking. It's a website that gives you lists of AM and FM radio stations near you. Or you could pick a different location that's not near you and get those. So I did one on the Clearwater area, Clearwater, Florida. It's 7 o'clock in the morning, and it came up with 43 FM stations. Now that includes, or I had it include, low power stations, which I'm not sure exactly what low power means, but when I'm looking at the list, it's like there's two stations near a retirement facility. So I guess they're just broadcasting for that area. But I want to see if I can pick them up. And you can make the list come out in different sequences. You can list it by frequency, you can list it by station distance, and that's what I've done. I've listed it by station distance. So I'm coming down here to the bottom, and there are 7 stations that are the furthest away. I only told it to go out to 40 miles, but they're all low power, so I don't think I'll get any of those. But we're going to check real quick. I did a scan. It got, gosh, what was it? Let me go down to the bottom of the list. It got 83 signals. 83 signals. Now, like I say, this website says I can only get like 43. Or there's only 43 within 20 miles of my location. So we're going to see. So the one on the very bottom, which is 38 miles, it's low power, not likely to get that, is 102.1. 102.1, see if it got that. Oh, 102.1. Nothing there. Now it could be that they're not broadcasting any content, just a carrier, because it is 7 o'clock in the morning. This is in Bradenton, Florida, south of me. Again, I'm using the built-in telescopic antenna. Okay, the next one, which is 37 miles, is 101.1. See if we got that. Oops. Nope, it didn't get that one. Okay, the next one is 96.7. These are all low powered. Look, going the wrong way. 96.7. And there's something there. This is in Dade City, which is east of me across the bay. No, north of me. So it's struggling. And you'll get, even on FM, you'll get variations in signal depending on weather conditions, time of day, But this is a low power station. Again, I don't know the definition of low power FM. But that's 96.7. Okay, the next closest one is 34 miles. It's 102.1. Or did I already do that one? See, this is 96.7. No, I did one similar. Or close. 102.1.
No, I know you guys.
No, didn't get that. Might not be transmitting. The next one is 106.9. 106.9. 106. Whoops. 106.9. Nope. This noise. 33 miles away. Okay, the next one furthest away is a regular FM station. It's 32 miles and it's 100.7.
Angelino's in
There.
downtown St. Pete.
Loud and clear.
The food was amazing.
Have you
So,
been
and
there,
the service
Brody?
was great.
Angelina's. I don't think I've been there. I gotta check it out.
That's
Yeah, they were really good.
Love it. All right, thanks, Melanie.
32 miles
Thanks for
in
having another
Tampa.
Melody in
32
Land
miles
O'Lakes.
from
Good morning.
where the transmitter is. That's where the transmitter is. So that one, it did great. 103.5. 103, 103.5. Nope, didn't. There it is.
Find what you're looking for.
Yeah,
The Neil Nasdaq. 4 to 5 employers who post on ZipRecruiter get a
that one is 32 miles. Let's jump down to 29.9 miles. Low power, 90.1. Low power. 90.1. Yep, there it is. Just noise. Lots of noise. So that one was 30 miles from me. Let me update my screen here. Come on, computer, wake up. There we go. Okay, let's go. Let's jump again. 96.3.
Yeah.
Nope. May not be on the air. Nope. Because that one's only 15 miles. Oh, that's low power. Yeah, that's low power. It might not be on the air. Let's go back to one that's full power. 97.9. Yep. Yep. That's right here in Clearwater, Florida. So that's only 14 miles from my location in Clearwater. So listen, I'm going to go now and just go through what it found. And if it found a signal or it's found a station, I'll try to see if I can look it up real quick. Otherwise, it's going to take forever. So let's go back down to first one. Okay, there's the first one, 88.1. I don't think I've ever received that. Now, I heard this when I first finished the scan, but it's gone now. Let me do a sort by frequency. Let me redo this search and do it by frequency instead of distance. Be easier to find. Okay, so nope, that's not even. Well, that's weird. It's not even listed. Why did it list it the other way? Same number of stations, 43 stations within 40 miles of me. Okay, let's go up. 88.3, nothing there. 88.5. That is 32 miles from me. I may have already showed you that one. In Tampa. Strong. Very strong. Okay. go up next. 88.7, not listed. Must be noise. Yeah, that's noise. 88.9, that's in Tarpon Springs, 28 miles north of me, dead shot north. Okay, what's the next one? I'm not going to go through all these, it takes forever, because it found a lot of them. 89.1, not listed, so that's noise. 89.5, 89.7. That's the reference station I used when checking FM. That's over in Tampa at the University of South Florida. I don't know what their power output is, but it's not a lot. It's definitely stronger than low powered stations. So it's getting that little touchy. Again, using the telescopic antenna. Okay, that's enough. I'm probably losing a lot of viewers now at this point. I've babbled so much. But bottom line, this thing receives FM. With the built-in FM telescopic antenna, great. It got stations that were almost 40 miles from my location on FM during this time of day. Now, like I say, conditions will change as the day goes on. The reception might get better. Plus, more stations will, like especially the low power ones, will go on the air and start broadcasting. So I can pick up more. But anyway, bottom line, FM works great, sounds great. I didn't do any adjusting with the tone controls right here. I didn't adjust any of that. I can make it better. I can change the bandwidth, which I didn't. I don't even know what bandwidth it's in right now. Lots of variables. Fantastic radio. Much, much better than my old Grundig 750. Much improved. And the rumor is that they put some of the electronics from the H501 Tecsun radio in this one, which I have also. So one of the things I will do is I will do a side-by-side comparison of the two radios on the various bands. And keep in mind, there's lots of variables. So I might show you a test where it works great, and I might show you a test where it works bad, but it just varies all over the place. Again, I apologize for the wall shaker air conditioner, but I've had that on for about a half an hour, and it's still 82.5 degrees in here, and I'm sweating. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the show, please give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, that would be fantastic. If you would subscribe, that'd be fantastic. And last but not least, in my description below my videos is the link to my Amazon store, where I make like 1 or 2% if you purchase things from Amazon, anything, including birdseed. Through that link, I make 1 or 2%. I use it to buy things to show on my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. Oh, wrong button. Oh, kick the camera.